Okay, today's video we're going to be replacing a battery and a key fob on a BMW. This is the 2011 to 2017, I believe, those models. If yours looks like this, okay. All right, it's got the open, it's got the close, and it's got the hood. The trunk and panic. It's pretty easy to do. You're going to need a battery. It's a 2450. It's kind of thick. Okay. And simple thing to do, in the back right here, you're going to see a little button. Okay. You push this button and you pull out the mechanical key. Okay. Now once you got that out of the way, flip it where it's on the top like this, and you're going to look in here. You're going to need a little screwdriver. A really tiny one, okay? Then with it up like this, you're gonna see there's a tab. There's a tab right there, and you're gonna push it down. That tab removes this, okay? You put it there, you push down, and it pops this out. So basically, the tab that you were pushing down was this one right here, okay? And then there's the battery. Okay, you see the flat edge? It slips under that. So you pop it up this way and you take it out. And when you put the new one in, you just do it the same way. You put it in first like that. Okay, here's the new one. Again, you put it on an angle, just like that. Okay, then this has like a little, see right there? That goes underneath here. Like that. And then you just basically push it in. Okay, nice and sealed. And you get your this one has a little keychain. Okay, and that's it. And you're good to go. All right, again, that number was 2450, and it's from 2011, 2017 BMW models. All right, guys, Motor Car Nut, please subscribe, hit the like button. Any questions, just leave them below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. I really appreciate you guys watching. Thank you.